Very good morning everybody. I am Ragini. I joyfully welcome you all dear students. I am going to teach you the grammar point active voice into passive voice. In this module we will learn what is active voice and what is the passive voice, how do we change from active voice into passive voice, and what are the tenses we are using here, how do we use the be forms. All those things we will learn in this module. What is active voice? Act. To act means to do something. To do something and doing the action. Doing the action. Here passive voice, something has been done to the subject. Passive voice means receiving the action. Active voice doing the action, passive voice receiving the action. What is an active voice? When a verb form shows that the subject has done something, it is known as an active voice. Passive voice means when a verb form shows that something has been done to the subject, it is known as passive voice. And here many tenses we are learning. Those are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense and future perfect tense. I will write on the board. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense, future perfect tense. These are the tenses we are going to learn. Once again I will repeat: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, simple future tense and future perfect tense. Already you learn the active voice and passive voice, the definition of active voice and the passive voice. Next we move towards the examples. Example number 1. Sahana paints a picture. Sahana paints a picture. So in this sentence we have to be divide the SVO pattern. SVO pattern. Yes, nothing but subject. V nothing but verb. O nothing but object. So how do we divide the SVO pattern? Sahana, it's the name of a person. Subject, paints, it is the main verb. and a picture is object. So then rule number 1, divide the SVO pattern or separated or classified the SVO pattern. Next step is object occupies the place of subject. What is the object in this sentence? A picture is the object of this sentence. When we change it into the beginning of the letter should be in capital letter. A picture. Next we concentrate towards main verb. Main verb, it is in the simple present tense. How do we identify it is in the simple present tense? Because it is in the habitual action. So S form is there. So S form is there. Paint is the root verb. So here is the S form. It indicates is. So for habitual action and universal truth we use simple present tense. Universal truth. For universal truth and for habitual action we use the simple present tense. For universal truth, for the example of it, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises. Universally all of us agreed it. And the earth moves around the sun. We agreed it universally. That is the universal truth. For that universal truth we use simple present tense. And habitual action. What is the habitual action? So painting is the habitual action of Sahana. For habitual action we use simple present tense. That is, paint should be goes to past participle form. What's the past participle form of paint? Painted. Is painted. B form should be used in according to the tense of the verb. So next we must be added the preposition by. Next step is subject occupies the place of object or subject become object. That is the rule. Sahana. A picture is painted by Sahana. This is active voice and it is passive voice. The tense is simple present tense. Simple present tense. Here you see the active voice. Verb form shows that the subject does something, that is called active voice. Here something has been done to the subject. It is known as passive voice. Next, second example. He is painting a picture. So in this sentence, he, subject, is helping verb or be form, painting, verb, main verb, and here ing form, continuous form. Continuous form, a picture, object. The same rules applied into this example also. A picture, object becomes subject, a picture. When we change it into the passive voice, a capital, the beginning of the letter should be in capital letter, a picture, and here the helping verb is there. Same thing we have to be right here also, and one more be form we have to be. We should be right, that is being. Why do we use being here? Because the main verb is in continuous form or progressive form. So we have to be used here being, that word, and being. Next, the rules tells us the main verb should be goes to the past participle form. Painted is the past participle form of the painting. Next, we should be added the preposition by. Next, subject occupies the place of object. He become him. So, you see how the pronouns are changing into passive voice. A picture is being painted by him. He, him. Subject, pronoun, object, pronoun. Next, we move towards next example. We did simple present tense and present continuous tense. Next, we are going to discuss present perfect tense. She has painted a picture. Third example, she has painted a picture. It is in the active voice. First we have to do the divide into the SVO pattern. She is the subject, painted. It is has forms, painted, verb, a picture, object. Next, object becomes subject, a picture. Next, has is there, it is in the present perfect form. Same thing we have to be right here, has, and instead of being we use been. That is also be forms. What are the be forms? Be forms are am, is, are, was, were, being, be. How do we use of these be forms and where do we use of these things? Am, is, present, singular. We use these things present, singular, and are, present, plural. Was, past, singular. Were, past, plural. Present continuous tense and past continuous tense we use being, and present perfect tense, past perfect tense we use been. So this is present perfect tense, been. Next, the main verb painted, it is in the past participle form. That's why we should not be change it as it is. We should be right here, painted by. The preposition must be added by, and she became her. So now we changed into passive voice. A picture has been painted by her. So the tense present perfect tense. she, her. Next we move towards fourth example. The tense is simple past tense. They painted a picture. So it is in the active voice. Here, why should not? In the fourth example, we divided the SVO pattern. Next step is a picture occupies the place of the subject because it is in the object place. When we change it into the passive voice, it should be turned out. A picture. Next, ed form is there. The root verb is paint. So ed form shows that it is in the past tense form. So we have to be write was. Was also be form. Why do we use was? Why should not be used here were? Because a picture is in the singular form. That is why we use here was. Next, painted. This one is we need not to change because it is in the past participle form. Painted. Next we add preposition by. Already you know it, and they become them. The subject become object. So the subject pronoun they change it into object pronoun them. He, him, she, her, they, them. It is simple past tense. Today we learnt simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense we are going to learn. The fifth example. We were painting a picture. It is in the active voice. It is classified into SVO pattern. We, subject, verb, helping verb, painting, main verb, and it is in the continuous form, a picture, object. Object occupies the place of subject, a picture. So were is there. In the active voice, helping verb were is there. In the passive voice, I used here was, because in the active voice subject it is in the plural form. We is the plural form, but a picture is singular form. So I use here was instead of were. Was. Next, ing form is there. It shows that continuous form. So I use being. It is also be form. A picture was being, painting goes to the past participle form, painted. Next we add the preposition by. We become us, or the subject become object. So the subject pronoun we change it into us. So this is the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. A picture was being painted by us. This is past continuous tense. Next, we did the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense. Next, we move towards past perfect tense. Next, sixth example. I had painted a picture. I had painted a picture. First we do the SVO pattern. Divide the SVO pattern. I is subject, painted. This is half form, painted verb, a picture, object. Next, object becomes subject, a picture. Picture. So, had is nothing changed. A picture had been. We use the be form been because it is the past perfect tense. Present perfect or past perfect, we have to be use the word been. A picture had been painted by me. I become me or subject become object. Here I, me. These are the subject pronoun and object pronouns. He, him. How do we change it? He, him, she, her. They, them, we, us, I, me. So this is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. I had painted a picture had been painted me. A verb form shows that the subject has done something. It is known as active voice. In the passive voice, something has been done to the subject. The verb form shows that the subject has been done to the, something has been done to the subject. It is known as passive voice. We learnt past perfect tense. Remaining two tenses, simple future tense and future perfect tense, we will be learned in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Take care.